Hi, I'm Art, and welcome to AskaRepairTech.com, your online resource for all your heating and cooling needs. On this website, you are now able to get repair advice for only $19.99 from an Art technician. You can also buy parts, a furnace, an AC, or schedule an in-home service call or clean and check. Thanks for joining the Art team. Hi, here at AskaRepairTech.com, safety is always first. Remember, before you perform any repairs, always shut off your gas and turn off your electric.
In this video, we are replacing the safety raw switch located near the burners. Oftentimes, there is more than one safety raw switch, so please make sure you are replacing the one that has been determined to be defective. The first step is to remove the safety rollout switch. Once the safety rollout switch has been removed, gently remove the wires.
Lock the wires to remove.
Remove the rollout switch and gently remove the wires.
Not so gently.
Now we are ready to install the new safety rollout switch. Gently place the wires on the terminals, place the rollout switch back in the mounting plate, and securely fasten it back down.
Take your two screws and securely fasten the rollout switch.
Depress the reset button on the rollout switch, located between the terminals, shown here in red. Now your installation is complete. Depending on the make and model of your furnace, the safety rollout switch may be located in different areas near the burner. On this model, the safety rollout switch is located on the bottom right and upper left-hand corners of the burner. Depending upon the make and model of your furnace, you may have a limit switch or fan limit switch. The controls are located on the faceplate of the heat exchanger just above the burners. Now that you have located your limit switch or fan limit switch, remove it from the faceplate of the heat exchanger. Gently remove the wires. Now we are ready to install the new limit switch.
Gently remove the wires from the switch.
Gently place the wires on the limit switch and securely fasten it to the faceplate of the heat exchanger. Now your installation is complete. This is your furnace control board, located in your blower compartment. To replace your furnace control board, carefully note and mark the wire position. Now remove the wires one at a time from the defective furnace control board and replace them on the new furnace control board.
After the wires have been disconnected, unscrew the control board from the bracket. Replace the new control board on the bracket. Noting your connections, finish connecting the remaining wires.
Okay, the problem is I can't see you finishing the wires.
Alright, well. Let's try the longer one.
You have now successfully replaced the control board.